All right, guys, welcome back to the stream. We're fucking streaming at night. Hey, Brady's here. Yeah, buddy, let's go. All right, market is dumping. We're touching this low down here. Hey, Lowly here. It's about 80 degrees here too, but it's been raining all day. Yep, exactly. 80. Chump Sauce is here. Good afternoon. How we doing? All right. Market is not moving, huh? I got this one to 52,200. Need 800 to pass. Price action is not looking very good. I think maybe it opens up on the Tokyo Open and sells off some more. All right, looks like it's breaking down here. Let's go with some shorts here. All I need right here.
Okay. Damn it. I thought we had a clear break of structure going downtown. Really? Jeez. You ever feel like no matter what you do, you go with the trend, it goes against you? You go against it, it continues in trend. Wow. Really? Okay. Hey, Junior. Yeah, I got stuck in it bad. It was dumping. I jumped in, I chased it, and then I was thinking we could get a quick momentum. I needed 800 bucks. Now I'm down 800. Hopefully it comes back. Hi, honey. Damn it. I'm not in the mood. Hey, Michael, yeah. Shaking hell. This account has been exhausting. I've been having so many trades like this. I get so close to passing, and the next trade's a loser. Okay. Yes, do it. Do it. I believe in you. This is what I was hoping for earlier. Come on down. Come on. Don't fake me out again. Can't take it. Oh my goodness. Price is gonna start doing that teleporting shit. Hey, Sevens, how we doing? Man, I'm so pissed right now. Fucking came down, bounced off my entry after holding drawdown. It's so frustrating. I just want to pass this one and move on to the next one. My entry looks so bad. Shorting pretty much near the low of the day. Hmm. Do you copy trade? I mean, sometimes I do, but I prefer not to. I might eventually just start copying everything, just because trading's becoming exhausting. We pass a bunch of accounts and then I'll throw them all in the copier. Just dump already. I'm just trying to pass accounts this week. I'm in eval jail. These are all evals. This one's needing 800 bucks and I'm in a 500 drawdown. The other two are down 400 each. I'm trading small on those. Those two have a $500 DLL. I might trade my small personal. It's just not even moving now. How do people get so excited about the Globex market opening? This is the worst. It's not even moving. I'm not sure what your sentence means. Not true open yet. Are you talking about the Asia Open here in an hour or 45 minutes? I would love to pass this account before the Tokyo Open. I need to get to 3K. All right, let's go. I am convinced that whenever I need $500 to pass a challenge or get a payout, the market knows that I'm trying to reach those goals and it makes me have to go and draw down. This account 4 times this has happened. Literally, this is 4 times. And then 2 times earlier, I was within $100. I was shorting and it bounced. And it didn't hit my TP. And it did the same thing again. Alright, maybe this time. Here's my TP down here. If it hits it, we pass. Yeah, I was at 2,900 2 times. Here we go. Maybe this time we get it done. I'm not going to get out just because I'm at break even. I'm going to wait and see if it just goes down. It gives me something at least. Come on. Is this it? Yes, we did it! Whee! I caught the breakdown. Woohoo! Let's go! It even gave me an extra $100. Did you see that with some slippage? Woo! I got it done. Yes. Okay, maybe this is not so bad after all. Finally. Yes, Evans, it's true. But sometimes I just want to get it done. All right, we're just knocking evals out one at a time. That's the first one for the week. I'm funded again. One funded account. We will be signing this contract here soon. And here it is. Burn, burn, burn. Let's go. All right, maybe I do a Lucid eval giveaway. On my X account. We got something We got it done. Yeah, I'm gonna grow these bad boys. I had got payout on 2 of them last week. But then you know how it is. I had one day where I was up $2,000. And I was drunk too. I was drunk trading. I was like, I'm gonna take one more. I was getting ready to lock it up. I was like, we could get a little bit more. It was Wednesday night, I think it was. And boy, I just kept getting beat up after that. That one more trade was such a. I was trying to get my payout money back. Anyways, we have passed. We caught the breakdown. It finally broke out of that level. I knew it was gonna dump if it did. I thought this was gonna happen here, and then I sat through all of that, and then wham! Most losing traders would have got out at break even when they're biting their nails. Oh my god, I'm back to break even. Let me out. Come on, be honest. Has that happened to you? You get out break even? All right, if you could help me out with my X post, we'll do some giveaways. Yeah, honestly, most of the time when you're getting out at break even is when the momentum traders are piling in. So you got to tell your brain, I'm not getting out at break even. Break even doesn't pay the bills. The market's coming back in my direction. You got to give it a chance. I've also been cursed at many times over the years from people yelling at me, get out break even. And then maybe it backflips on me and I didn't get out break even. I told you to get out at break even. Someone will yell it at me in the chat. All right, here's my post. If y'all could help, I'm trying to grow my X account. Anyways, we passed one. I'm gonna sign my paperwork now. Time to upgrade, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Upgrade. Success. I'm funded again. Okay. All right, I got my new funded. Woohoo. Sometimes it's good to get out break even, but when the market's showing its hand as really wanting to come back in your favor, nah, you gotta give it a try. How low will the bears go today? Look at this gap all the way down here, guys. 29,500, 29,400, 29,250, down until we get to the EMA. It's a double top bearish divergence pattern here. That's why I'm mostly shorting right now. All right, is it time to crack open a cold one? Who's gonna have one with me? Hey, stop run city. Stop run city. How are we doing? Good to see you. I've earned the beer. Are you gonna have one with me? It's no fun drinking by yourself. It is kind of fun drinking here with you guys, but only if someone else has one. Who's in Humble, Texas? Are you really gonna go buy a Corona just for the occasion? For real? I don't stay in Humble. I stay in the south side. That's on the north side. Hey, you gonna have one too? Let's go. Is that what kind of beer is that? I'm gonna go grab one from the fridge. Y'all can come with me. We're gonna hit the punching bag a little bit too. See if my mic is charged enough. I guess the mic is not working. All right, only my desktop mic is working right now, so gonna have to go downstairs with no audio for a minute while we grab a couple cold ones. Let's go. Hey, Michael, how did you know I was having a cold one? Did you see it on the X post? Or did you just hear me talking about it? All right, let's go. All right, I told my wife I was going to quit drinking beer for a while. I did. Since last Thursday. It's been 3 days. We had a little reprieve. We gave her liver a break. All right, I gotta pee. I'll be right back. I'm gonna crack open a cold one. Hey, what's up, Compile? Hell yeah. Who wanna crack open a cold one with me? Here. I just washed my hands because I was in the restroom. Alrighty. First gulp is always the best. Alrighty. So boring at night. We gotta drink it up. What kind of wine you having? Cheers. Cheers. Maybe I'll have a TWT meetup one day. We can all have a cold one. Or a warm beer or whatever. If you're in some parts of Europe, they like beer warm. Okay. Michael's having some French beer. Is that also French? Or is that, I don't know. Manischewitz kosher wine. Is this better? It's kind of too dark now. Oh, are you Jewish? We have a guy in here. His name is Susan. He's from Israel. Oh yeah, I've had Blue Moon many times. Yeah, I like Blue Moon. It's good beer. All right. I don't know why, but I'd rather drink in the beginning or the middle of the week instead of Friday and Saturday and Sunday. I'm like recovering from everything. Taking naps, not drinking. All right, I got a new funded pro account. 50K. I passed it earlier. That's why we're cracking open a couple cold ones. I got two here. I have some Angry Orchard downstairs. I got one bottle. It's kind of like Blue Moon, but a little bit sweeter. Some people in here take a shot after winning. TWI. Trading while intoxicated. Price action is looking like shit. Hell yeah. So, who all's with me? Raise your drink up in the air and chug it down like you just don't care. Alright, I already finished my first beer. Hey, cheers. I already finished my first one. One last sip here. You gonna use that line I just came up with? Raise your beers up in the air, chug it down like you just don't care. I like Heineken. Heineken beer while we trade with Heikenashy candles. No can beer. I actually prefer the aluminum. The aluminum. We call them aluminum cans or aluminum bottle. I just got this when I was walking in the grocery store aisle, and it had PBR on sale. So like a 20 pack or something. I don't know. It isn't my first time ever drinking it. Someone suggested it, so trying something different. I'm drinking some light beer because of my dad bod. Kind of trying to not let it get too big. At one point, I was weighing 205 pounds. Right now, I'm at 185, so we're doing okay, I guess. My wife's down there with some chocolate brownies. You want some chocolate brownies? Trying to keep me fat. Just keep the ladies off me. Yeah, I hear you. Heineken in the bottle. Good stuff. Do you drink Heineken Dark by any chance? That's good beer too. I also like Guinness. I usually have some Guinness or uh, Coors Light, Heineken sometimes. Take a shot after winning trade, take two. A lot of candles be teleporting. Price action. You ever notice that? Especially right before 7 o'clock. I'm Central Time. Guinness is actually a really old beer. It's like almost, I don't know how, 152. They found a bottle of Guinness that was 167 years old somewhere off the coast of one of the British Isles or some shit. I think it's a UK beer. Look at that candle. Holy moly. Good thing I took my profits here to pass that one. That was a nice. I mean, it's not a lot of points compared to the New York session, but for this time of night, good 10, 15 point rip. Ooh, excuse me. All right, we got 13 minutes until the Tokyo Open. We'll drink some sake. You ever had sake? Or the Korean drink soju? Good stuff. Pretty strong. See, this beer, it's only got 3.5 carbs. This is actually not that strong a beer. It's like 4.2. Can't believe you never had Guinness. I'm gonna have to buy you some. Where are you at, Compile? You're in Vive la France? No, that's Michael. What? Are you in Israel? Investor Z's here. Hey, bottoms up, bottoms up, bottoms up. Throw your hands up. Tell security we about to tear the club up. Light 'em up if you got 'em. You in Canada? You about to light one up? Hell yeah. Nice. How do you smoke? With the regular old joint with the papers, maybe some zigzags, or you got a blunt, or I've never done any dabs or I've done the liquid pen. I guess maybe one time. I guess I tried it, but this is a Snoop Dogg pen. Is that the same thing? Raw papers? Hell yeah. Okay, let's go. Excuse me. All right, I passed that 50K Lucid Pro account earlier. We are funded with the 50K Pro. I haven't taken any trades on it yet. I'm going to try to make some money. I'm just not happy unless I'm making money. It's no fun being stuck in eval jail. All right, 10 more minutes. Which way is this market going here? Oh, big sell off. Kind of big. Not by New York session standards, but hey, iTrades is here. iTrades, you gonna have a cold one with us? I got some low carb beer here, so I can drink many of these. Oh my gosh. You got a cold soda? Oh, okay. What do you got? Olipop? Maybe a cream soda? I'm guessing here. All right, I'm gonna be extra patient with this funded account. Oh, excuse me. You got a cold Pepsi? He's in Canada drinking French beer. I'm a little slow on the comments right now. Ah, you're in Quebec, huh? Oh, let's go. Compile. Nice. Bet that puts your butt on fire, right? Have to run to the restroom. All right, we're breaking below 700 here. Is it is it okay to buy the dip yet? I'm scared. I've been shorting and making money, but I'm scared to buy the dip. All right, we have the Tokyo Open here in 5 minutes. Thanks for hitting the like, guys. It motivates me to do more of these nighttime streaming, hanging out with you guys. All right, we got 20 people in here. Kind of low numbers, but that's fine. 20 cool people in the chat. Let's run a giveaway. Fuck it. Who wants to do a giveaway? Type 1. You're hanging out with me at nighttime. Maybe you need to pass this. Maybe you need to win a giveaway right now and get passed on the Tokyo Open here. Hey, you're short right now? Let's go. Sevens, are you gonna have a beer with us? I'm like that bad influence. I'm that bad friend who's not a good influence. All right, go. Type 10 numbers since there's only 20 of you here between 1 and 1,000. 10. All right, 4 more minutes until the Tokyo Open. I'm thinking about buying the dip too. I'm a little scared, but it can't just keep going down forever, right? All right, 2 more minutes. Then we have the Tokyo Open. All right, my first trade of the day. I'm going to take a quickie short here. See if we can get a quick scalpy trade. Ah, shit. Damn, my first trade immediately goes against me. What the fuck? I thought we had some momentum down. All right, let's see if the open will save me. No way. Don't tell me it's going to burn me. Oh, this is not good. Whoa. I give up, guys. Jeez. What the fuck? Shit. Come on. No. No. Already? Jeez. That's the last time I ever entered right before the open of anything. Now I got work to do to climb out of the hole. I should have put a daily loss limit on. I was going to take that short. All right, we're long in this right here. It's not looking good either. Fuck, man. We're doing it right now. Jeez, I'm having some terrible luck on trading right now. Let's see if we get some luck here. All right, I'm going to hold this. What? Who's going to trail it? I'm already going to blow up, guys. This is something here. Okay, okay. Maybe I'm getting lucky here. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. I need it. Fuck, man. Rip up. I really need it. Go. Yes. I'm going to take that one there. I'm going to trail that one because I need to get paid. Let's see if it rips. Woo! Run. I need this runner. All right, I'm going to take that 300 bucks. Woo! That was a close one. I needed that one after. Look, I shorted here. It ripped up. I bought. It dropped. Bear channel trading is so hard. Hey, Marco's here. What time is it? In Slovenia. How's it going, Marco? I passed the pro account. I immediately got beat up on it. Hey, at least I have a chance to bounce back now. I'm gonna go back to micros. I'm not gonna let it blow up in one day or even in 1 hour. That's the worst, right? Now I have 900 bucks to draw down. At least I have something to play with now. All right, maybe I put on 2 micros and we just let it run all night. I might even DCA. I'm just gonna leave these 2 micros to play. It looks like some momentum's coming back. We'll do 4, fuck it. Let's go. Don't fail. It's a good thing I put on micros. This shit's wild. Come on, let's catch a pot back up. Is this it? Send it. Yes, go. 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 We're going for it. Rip. Yes. Uh-huh. Gonna take some profit here. Boom. Look at this. We're climbing out of the hole. Boom, boom. We got a runner down here. Let's go. I'm going to add to the winner here. Let's see if it will keep running. Let's go for it. Uh-huh. Yeah, now we're only down 200. Let's go. Woo! All right. That calls for another trip down to the garage for another beer. Now I kind of want to short it, though. I think it's going to drop again. Drop. Here it comes. Big drop. I know the games they're playing here. I think it was going to drop. No, you're supposed to drop now. Let's see if this one pays off, though. I don't think the Bears are done. Maybe they are done. Maybe they are done. This isn't looking good. Come on, drop. Crap. Maybe the Bears are done, huh? Crap. This sucks. It's gone. I got destroyed on the bull pump. I thought it was not that strong. I was wrong. Oh man. That sucks. Yep, I should have or stayed going with the longs. It is what it is. Does sting a little bit. Yeah, I'm not going to trade anything at the moment. We're just going to let this sting settle. Yeah, it does totally suck. All right, let's reflect here. What did I do? Why is it not? Oh, the microbes. I should have just held the longs. I took my profit and then I thought, you know what? Let's short higher up. It's going to fail here and come back down. Boy, was I wrong. That did not stop, not even one bit. Dope. Okay. We just take a little break here. All that work is for nothing now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Time for the beer. Definitely need it now. I'm okay. A little learning lesson here. Stay with the trend, Travis. The trend is your friend. It was going up so hard too. Look at that. Here's my last exits. I bought here, took profit up here, and then I decided to short up here even higher. No, I bought here, took my profit here. It dipped back. And I was like, ooh, this is gonna pop. It's gonna keep dropping. That's what it was. I shorted the whole green candle here, all the way up until it blew up right up here. Oh. All right. What to do now? Man, that account didn't last long. I would have surely locked it up. I was down too. I was down, what, 1700? Climbed back to just minus 200. It's okay. All right, we move on. Y'all can come with me. Go get one more cold one. Stink a little bit. All right, guys. I'm not used to trading the night session that much. I didn't think it was gonna rip up that much. All right, I think I'm gonna trade some TPT. easy to see where the market's going after you've taken a big L. I only need 400 bucks. I'll put on 6 micros. Let's see if we get it done. Send it. Take Profit Trader eval. I'm in eval passive mode. I don't know why it doesn't show the name here anymore. Still doesn't show it. What happened here? Let's go. Should get it done right here. Come on. Boom. Profit target hit. Yeah, I gotta pee. All right, we reached the goal quickly. All right, we're going back to Lucid, where I fucked some shit up. Wrong account. Damn it. Thought it was on the copier. We made some money. I might have a giveaway for you. All right. Did we ever call the giveaway the random number game winner earlier? I think I forgot, huh? Sorry. All right, let's pick the number. It's kind of a rough afternoon here. $3.26. Did I check earlier? Yeah, no winner. All right, let's run it back. Go ahead. 10 numbers. Pick 10 numbers. One in 1,000 right here. You can see the Someone's gonna have a chance to win. Someone might win tonight. Someone's gonna win. Rob won last week. He passed his giveaway account and got funded and then got a payout and blew it up. But he still got a payout. I passed my pro eval this evening and then I blew it up. No payout. And I had the right idea and took a little bit of profit to get out of the hole. And then I decided to try to fade it. This big move up here, and the bulls just ran over me. You can see here, he passed his in 3 days. Oh, excuse me. You're new to trading? Okay. Yeah, you'll probably blow up, but at least if you blow up, it'll be on a free account. How new are you? 1 month new? 3 months new? Man, look at this rip here. Hey, that's still some experience, though. That's good. I'm a little bummed that I blew up my account earlier, but it's okay. We got an eval halfway. I actually need to lose 56 bucks. I can't do it until I adjust the amount here. I should have put a daily loss limit on my pro account. Alright, I need to lose 20 bucks. Perfect. Yeah, this one has a 50% consistency rule. I went over it. 1500 was the 50%. I'm not buying any more evals tonight. I do have these Lucid accounts here I could trade, but they have a daily loss limit. So I'm a little bit more cautious with them. We'll trade these tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to lock myself out so I can't do some dumb shit. Whoa, I don't want to end of day. Let's do more than an hour. I'll have it ready to trade tomorrow at the market open plus 5 minutes. That way I have something to trade tomorrow. All right, they're locked. Okay, giveaway time. Let's see if we got a winner. Yeah, I've had too much heartache for today. I had to lock it up. I can't keep going tonight. Otherwise, these will be gone too. Lowly, what is your job hours? You say you work full time? Shoot me a message in the Discord. Maybe we can work something out. You want to trade with TWT? All right, let's pick the numbers, guys. Sorry, I'm getting off track here. Number is 655. Let's check with my Control F prompt. 655. Did not have a winning number this time. Let's run it back one more time here. Go, type 10 numbers. 10. Try again. You work in the OR as a circulating nurse? Oh wow, cool. Hats off to you. You're awesome. I'm that person who hates getting their blood drawn. You put the thing on me and I get all lightheaded. Not always, but sometimes. You get to pick 10 numbers. He'll do it nice. I bet you work some long hours, huh? We have some friends who are nurses. One of them's a traveling nurse. She's said some pretty crazy stories. She's in the ER traveling. Yeah, she hardly sleeps too. She's like taking naps in the break room and doing late night shifts and sometimes in the morning, all morning till whenever. I'm still a little bitter. I blew up my funded right after passing it, and I was in the hole too. I climbed out of it with this pump up. I don't know what came over me. Decided to short it with big size. Maybe it was the alcohol. We'll blame it on the alcohol. I got a little overconfident climbing out of the hole. It's okay though. Yeah, it's okay. We live and we learn, right? Uh, hey, thanks, Jason. A white powder stream. I hear you. Man, everybody's so fucking stiff on stream, right? I hate the streamers who feel like they have to be like sounding like there's some authority figure in the market. The verdict is still out whether I'm better at trading when I'm drinking or not, but sometimes it actually helps. Sometimes it helps, and sometimes I just get a little too carried away. I DCA a little bit too much. I hold the losers a little bit too much. But sometimes I can hold the winners a little bit too much too, and it's nice. I've had some pretty good paydays from drinking. Lately, it's been the opposite though. All right. I gotta pee one more time because I've already had 3 beers. And I'll be back to pick these numbers here in a minute. Alrighty. I gotta get used to nighttime trading. I didn't realize that the Tokyo session moves can be this strong. That was a nice reversal play. Hey, Mr. Knife Art, you want to have a brewski with me? Broski? Yeah, have a cold one with me. Right, Loli? You love drinking with Trav, or you just like watching Trav drink? Which one? We can do both, though. Either one's okay. Alrighty. Who's ready to pick that winning number? Someone's gonna win an eval from me if you get the lucky number. You're having a vodka crab? Let's go. High five. After I type stop, no new entry numbers are valid. Okay, only between go and stop. All right, let's go. Hit that confetti if you're ready. The number is 261. 261. All right, let's check with the control F prompt. Oh, wow, no 261. Not this time around, my friends. Up 1,000 on the evals. Hey, I'm up 200 plus 170, so about 400, and I hit the 1,500 after losing on my pro funded account. I saw what the market was doing. I went for it and made my halfway mark on the TPT account here. So at least we got that going. It's not a complete wash tonight. 400 plus the 1,500. It's a good night. All right, we will run it. We will run the giveaway number game here in a little bit again. You need one? What, you need a giveaway account? Let me see. Investor Z, how many accounts are you trading right now? You got any evals you're running? What accounts is everybody running? Excuse me if my English grammar gets off. What accounts are everybody trading these days? I could trade my personal account. I'm a little scared though. I usually only take 1 or 2 trades a day on that, and usually with small size. Believe it or not, guys, a lot of the times my personal account funds my eval spending. This may sound crazy, but I will trade big on evals and blow up. But I'll put 1 micro on my personal account, make 200 bucks, send that money to my bank to buy another eval. I'm profitable with 1 or 2 micros on the personal, and that will fund my DGen ways on the funded account. Maybe it doesn't sound that crazy, right? I don't know. I have two personal accounts that I do that with. So I sent 277 bucks earlier today to the bank account, and then I bought the pro account with it. I use Optimus Futures, and I also use AMP. I have those two. They're both really good. Both of them have really good support. I prefer AMP a little bit more than Optimus just because when you do a withdrawal, it's a little bit quicker. But they're both great. Okay, let's go ahead and run the number game again. I gotta do it at random times to keep you guys on your toes. That's just the name of the game here. All right, y'all ready? I'm gonna type in go. You guys type in 10 numbers. All right, go. Between 1 and 1,000, type 10 numbers. Someone has the chance to win an eval from me, TWT. I don't know why YouTube wanted to throw some Janet Jackson my way, but I'm kind of feeling it. Like, if I was your girl, all the things I'd do to you. Some of y'all don't even know what the hell I'm talking about, but if you're over 40, you probably do. Yeah, I'm still a little jelly of Justin Timberlake at the Super Bowl here in Houston. He had a big crush on her back in the day, and he got all his desires fulfilled. Okay, what was I gonna say? We're gonna pick the numbers here real soon. Get your numbers in, folks. Slam down my beer. Oh, beer number 3 is almost empty. All my accounts are locked. I just remembered that I locked these up. I was thinking about taking a trade right now. I was like, maybe I should short this, but they're locked up until tomorrow morning. I totally forgot. That's probably a good thing. I blew one account this week, and it was a funded right after passing, right after climbing out of the hole on the funded, and then feeling a little too overconfident. It is what it is. It sucks though. Really, back in the day, used to hate Justin. And that's funny. Oh shit. That's funny, Jason. Tipsy with Travis, hell yeah. Who all's having a cold one with me? I know Lily's got some vodka. Sevens, did you get a chance to go grab that beer? We had a few Europeaners earlier with their French beer and some wine. Anybody else? I got some Coors Light. I finished my Pabst Blue. Now I got a Coors Light here. Got some iced coffee. Hell yeah, nice. I'll have some iced coffee tomorrow morning. Some Budweiser. Let's go. You got the bong. Bong token, alcoholics, whatever you want to call it. Let's go. Hey, take a hit, pull out the chamber, let it make you cough, man. Don't even try to ease it. Take it all in, hold it up. I haven't smoked any weed in a while, but all right. You mad at some scotch, some vodka? I like vodka. Uh, I kind of prefer some Crown Royal. Is that a scotch or is that a brandy? Crown Royal or some Seagram 77. Your wedding's in 3 weeks? Damn. Let's go. Congrats. The ball and chain happening in 3 weeks. Mr. Knife Art is the guy who won the giveaway account, made 10K on it, and moved to the Philippines and got his new wife and his new life, as he calls it. Are you living in the Philippines still? That was, what, a year ago now? So now you're getting married? Hey, Susan's here. What's up? You know, for a whole 2 years or so, I thought Susan was a girl. Susan is a guy from Israel. It's an Israeli male name, unlike all the Susan Karens here in the US. This whole time I thought you were a Karen. Susan's such an old lady, Karen white lady name. Filipinos behind sugar daddies. Yeah, let's go. He got that giveaway and got 10K in TPT payouts and said, I'm out of here. I'm going to the Philippines. You used to live in Israel, but now, yeah, you're in Oceanside. Okay, I knew that part. That's my old stomping ground. I'm from Oceanside, too. I'm from the valley. All right. Are you still living in the valley near, what is it, like North River Road, near the Camp Pendleton base? No, we all have some faith here, Huntington. She seems like a nice lady. He's been watching some of those. Filipinas took all my savings after 2 weeks of marriage. Or Thai. You got those stories of the guys moving to Thailand and the Philippines where they shack up. Next thing they know, they're asked to cover medical bills for their cousin's cousin. And I don't think that's the case here. She seems really nice. He's been there for a whole year too, so it doesn't seem rushed. I've had a Filipino girlfriend back in the 90s. Huntington Pips. Hopefully it wasn't that bad for you. Did you get burned, my friend? Hunting Pips. He lives with her now, right? Yeah, they've been living together for a year. No money, no honey. He's been there for a whole year now. Now, I have heard stories of people who are just sending money abroad and they've never even like physically met the lady. That's a whole nother whole like holy shit, what the hell are you thinking? I would never send money to some broad abroad. Hell no. You better have at least came down and sit down on my lap here a few times. I'm not sending any money abroad. FaceTime? Yeah, some FaceTime in real life. Better be. All right, we're picking the number, right? Because I started the game already and I haven't called the number yet. Let's go. All right, stop. I just started chatting up here. Forgot about the game for a second. All right, let's go. Someone has a chance to win. All right. The number is... Hit that confetti, guys. Hit the confetti if you're ready. Come on. What the hell? Hit that confetti. Come on, man. I'm not picking the number. That was me hitting the confetti right now, by the way, just to get it started. Okay, here we go. $3.85. $3.85. Okay, we did not have a winner, guys. Unfortunately. I will be doing some giveaways tomorrow on the stream. I am getting a little hungry and a little beer munchies kicking in. I'm going to call it a night. And I don't want to be trading all the way till 10, 11 o'clock when it's time for me to go to bed. So I need some unwinding time. I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. Peace. Hopefully somebody wins some giveaway accounts tomorrow. And hopefully we pass these evals tomorrow when they're unlocked. Right now they're locked. You can see they're locked. It says not locked. That means I can still trade. No, I better lock this shit up. Here, you're going to see me lock it up now. At least. Okay. Lock account. Somehow I didn't lock it, but I need to lock it up because otherwise I will fuck that shit up. Alright, at least till 8. There we go. I must have missed that last step there earlier. Alright guys, have a good night. I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. Take the last sip of my beer here with y'all. Alright, I'll see y'all at the titty bar, the south side of H-Town. You know where I gets down. See you guys. Peace.